So this is what we're doing. So I already primed and set my eye. I primed with this e.l.f. primer, set it with Flashback, and we're going to be using the colors Social Blade, Playground, and You're Kidding. And that's literally all you need for this whole, oh wait, and no beans. Teehee. I just put this on. So first, let me hop out the mother truck Porsche. Oh. First, we're gonna start with Social Blade, and I'm just going to tap it into my crease because tapping motions work best, kitty girls. And you already know what palette I'm using, so I'm not even gonna say it. I'm still packing it, but I'm just using the blending side of this brush just because I can. I don't know. Literally, I'm about to hit pan on like literally every single one of these colors already. I'm terrified. Like, I've been doing so much makeup. Like, I got this a month ago and it's already basically gone. And I'm gonna very lightly deepen that with the darker green shade. I don't remember what it's called, but you know what dark green looks like. So I did this on my other eye, but like you really couldn't tell. So like, but I'm just doing it to even-ish out because I'm just that type of girl. This look honestly confuses me. I don't know how to feel about it. So comment down below if you hate it. I don't give a fuck. Fight me. Now I'm going in with Playground. Congrats, I remembered. I'm gonna take the blending brush just so I can shape the shadow. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in like 2 weeks, and like I'm kind of like shook. Like, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm like too squirmy. I'm like just every time I tap into the palette, I'm like crying because like it's just really almost the end. So James, hook a sister up. I just can't wait for 2019. Like, I don't know about you guys, but like I'm gonna make this year, I'm gonna make 2019 my biatch. You're gonna catch me getting hella views, hella subs, hella likes on the Insta, hella coin, and you'll catch me out in LA. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the red, whatever it's called. You're Kidding. Right? Yes. I put too much blue on, so now it's gonna be like purple, which makes me sad. But that's what Facetune is for. I just made this look absolutely disgusting, and I'm so disappointed in myself, and I'm so sorry to all of you who are witnessing this right now. Okay, I'm gonna take this other Anastasia brush, and I'm gonna go in with Flashback and just blend over all this mess so it doesn't look like puke. I should have done blue to green to red, but I'm stupid and I don't think about colors and how red and blue literally make a whole entire different color. So if you want to copy this look, which I doubt you even would, but like I would love it if you did, like send me it on Insta or whatever you use. My Insta is aliyqh and my Twitter is aliyqhmua. If you like do this look, like do blue then green then red, because that would probably look cool. That would probably work way better than what I chose to do. Okay, now I'm gonna take the dark blue shade, Cola I think. I'm gonna lightly like deepen it. Have y'all started watching All Stars? Holy fazolies. I want Farrah and Naomi to do well, and Monet and Latrice, and that's pretty much it. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my crease, my least favorite part of any look. I can't do it in my heart of hearts to ever do a full cut crease. I just can't. It's just so, I end it so terribly. It has to be a half cut crease or else I'm gonna be looking ratchet. My friend Brielyn, she sent me this really nice DM on Instagram, and she was like, I just want to tell you you're doing really great, and I hope you're doing well, like mentally and da-da-da-da. And I was like, wow, of course I'm not doing well mentally. But I was so shook that she even said all those nice words about me. She said so many nice things, and I just wanted to cry. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with No Beans and pack that on my lid. Sorry if the lighting is really bad. The sun doesn't want to be my friend. Let's put on my eyeliner and then we'll put on my lashes. Like, one of the biggest things that I really look forward to when I grow my subscribers, and I really want to, like, you know how people always shout out people always shout out like other artists and stuff like that, but no one really ever shouts out YouTubers, like small YouTube channels, like never. I want to give people like shout outs so they can get some recognition, because like it really means a lot getting just the smallest amount of recognition from like anyone. It's a community, so we need to act like one and build each other up. Boom roasted. Oh, well, first of all, And this one's about to pop off. And I really don't give a frick. Okay, I'm gonna put on my lash and I'll be right back, baby cakes. Lashes are on. That was a really quick application if you ask me, so yay! I just wish sometimes that I wasn't so disgusting. But you know, maybe it's what makes you like me, or maybe it's what makes you hate me. So now I'm gonna get Social Blade and go under my eye. And don't forget to pack it on, not like blend, okay? We don't blend, we pack. Okay, now going in with Playground and going in the center. We're just matching up the colors to the crease. This is You're Kidding. So now we're going to do my inner corner and my brow bone, and I'm just gonna go in to VIP from the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I'm gonna go in and put in my inner corner, girl. Totally. And then I'm gonna put it on my brow bone, girl. Like, totally rad. Okay, so now that we like totally did that, we're gonna do the gingerbread man fun. So if you wanna know how I got this, okay, I'm sorry, I'll stop. I traced a little gingy man and cut him out, and now he looks like doo-doo. Literally looks like doo-doo. Yeah, I pooped him out this morning, right before this. And I'm just gonna hold him up to my face, basically, and scribble. Okay. First I'm gonna go in with You're Kidding, and I'm gonna tab it on. Life is just so much harder with acrylics, like, honestly. Like, literally only have these on for the purpose of my all-nighter video. If you haven't watched it, make sure you watch it. Cute! Look how cute that is. That one is so clean. So now I'm gonna go in with Playground. There's a girl who did this look, like, and I will put her in the description. I don't know who it was, but I bookmarked her in on my Instagram, and she like did like these cutout things. You just gotta make sure you just hold it down, you know? Hold it down for your bae and hold it down for this look. Give the video a big fat dislike if you hated that. Please do it. I think I shifted my Gingy. Oh no, he's pretty good. Pat on my back. Good Gingy, good Gingy. Enjoyyy. Do you remember that from Camp Rock? If you don't know what that is, frick you. It's the all-time Disney musical. I know I'll get roasted for that. I don't care. Now time for... what is this freaking Social Blade? Okay, Social Blade. This one is kind of harder to do. Okay, let's try that. She just doesn't want to exist, but we're gonna leave her that way because if I literally touch it, it wipes off. So I'm just gonna let her be. Okay, so now we just have to do the lips, and I put on highlight already, but I just didn't like say anything because like I just put it on before. But obviously I use my ColourPop Au Revoir. You already know what it is. My bros, my dudes. Because like I'm going with like the brown like gingerbreadiness, we're gonna use K from ColourPop. Definitely just fricked up. So we're just gonna conceal this lip. This color is so juicy and beautiful. I think this is the most disgusting I've ever made my lips look ever. Okay, so we're gonna fix it. And we'll be hashtag done for a real one. Ew, too much hair everywhere except in my derriere. Just kidding. Everyone has hair in their derriere, and that's completely natural, kids. And this is literally the finished look. Like, we are gingerbread men, person, human, gingerbread. We're just Gingy. This is Gingy. Hi, I'm Gingy. I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's good, and once I like get that once I get that Facetune on, I'm gonna be on and popping, and I'm gonna feel really good about myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is my last Christmas makeup look because it's the 12th look that I would have done on my Beatmas on my Instagram. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you check it out. ALIYQH is my Instagram. I've honestly had a really great time. Like, some of it was stressful, some of it was a little bit chaotic, and I wasn't always doing my best, but I tried. So this is my first ever Beatmas, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is it. Like, this is Gingy, and Gingy is going out with a bang, and I hope you love it, and I hope you guys are excited for Christmas, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Still have a few more videos to upload, so get excited because we're not done just yet. We're just done with Beatmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. We are so close to 500 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and smash that bell button to be notified anytime that I post, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. Love you. Gingy, Gingy, Gingy man. Gingy, 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 Gingy man. Gingy, Gingy, Gingy man. He is made of ginger and bread. Combined gingerbread. Bye.